Welcome to Sailing in Thongs and Jandals, because we're an Aussie and a Kiwi who set sail from New Zealand on the adventure of a lifetime.
We aim to bring you raw, honest footage of events as they unfold, so we can share our journey with friends, family, and you, if we haven't met you yet. So thanks for watching. Let's go sailing.
Do it, blow. Thank you. Oh, wonderful. On command. Oh, there are 3 of them. Oh, good morning.
This one's staying on top.
Woo! Oh, the dog is getting in on the deal. Oh, great. They've got a dog on their boat and they're taking their boat to see the whales. Oh, see you later. They don't like the dog. Their dog. No, goodbye. They're gone.
Well, that was a pretty good start to the morning. We had 3 whales breaching right next to us. Got a tail flip, so that was pretty cool. And now I'm just setting up the wind pilot because we're doing an overnight sail to Magnetic Island off Townsville. We're hooting.
Oh, we ever see you later with Sundays. Off to a cracker start. Maybe because we got the clears out. Forecast 16. Oh no, wait, it picked up this morning. Forecast is 18, gusting 24. And we've gone straight for the 23 knot start and not downwind on the beam. On the beam. Woo! Oh, that's why the wind's dropped slightly. 20 knots. Doing 7.5. Maybe we left a little bit early. We're going to get there now at 5 in the morning, but I don't think this will hold. Please ensure the toilet seat remains closed throughout this journey.
Is it broken?
No, it's not broken. It just went bang and fell down.
That's normal.
Huey's in action! Go acting. Some points of difference are the angle of the paddle is tipped over so that it allows for it being a bit windier. When it's straight up and down, it's better for light air. The lines are relatively tensioned. Oh, and there are minimal obstructions for wind blockage by rolling up all the clears.
And we have a reef in the main and a reef in the jib, so we've got soft sails.
Soft sails, not sheeted in too hard.
Huey decides he wants to work.
Ta-da! Okay, if we can keep this up the whole way, we are in light flood.
We have more whales breaching and jumping in front of the bow under sail. That's pretty cool.
Another tail flap! Woo! Oh, please come closer to the boat. Oh, it's settling back. We're a bit too far to starboard. We need to go back to port. What's for dinner that your wonderful wife cooked you?
Spaghetti bog. I did the spaghetti bog.
Yeah, I was going to say I can't really claim that. It's reheated spaghetti bog that Dion cooked the other night. Oh, wing on wing. The jib just had a bit of a flutter there, but unfortunately we had to jibe. Just settling into the evening. We did have the main on starboard and the jib on port, and the wind swung so far east we had to swap them over. So here's hoping we don't have to do that again in the middle of the night. That would not be fun. Anyway, lovely evening, and we've had great conditions. Not much swell and about 16 knots of breeze. Beautiful. We are quite literally sailing off into the sunset. It's pretty magic. Made it through the night. not a lot of sleep and got a lot of jibes and didn't quite nail the sailing angles, and it was so far aft that we had to change tacks with the pole and the boom with the main multiple times. So a bit tired.
We have arrived. Magnetic Island, aka Maggie Island. We're here with an overnight sail, which is pretty good, apart from it's wing on wing again. Here come the jets.
Oh, did we time that well or what? Fighter jets, as you do. Woo! Look at them go! A couple of other boats got here first. Oh, it is like Goldie! It's even orange. Hello, Goldie's friend.
Townsville is home to Australia's largest army base, Laverick Barracks. They have facilities to undertake mission rehearsal exercises and are a training base for Air Force's Air Combat Group and Air Mobility Group. Plus, Townsville may also be used as an operating base for naval support operations in the Coral Sea. Hence, the fighter jet flyby on our arrival. I did a lot of fabulous walks in Townsville and Maggie Island. I think every one on this map, except maybe number 7. But the crown jewel has got to be the Forts Walk. World War II coastal defence fortifications and supporting buildings, along with display boards bringing life to the stories of men and women who served on Magnetic Island during the war. Yes, this is Dion's second drone, because he still had the controller from the first one, which went swimming. Dion has named this new drone Bruce, because all Bruces are awesome. Bruce got caught in the wind upon shutdown. Fortunately, he was saved by the banister post.
We've had an awesome week off the boat in Townsville, except now we're back on, and we've got the sunset on one side and the moonrise on the other.
And a newly made bow roller and straightened stainless from the engineer in Townsville. We're off to John Brewer Reef. First time out in the out to the Barrier Reef since we got to Australia. So it's 35 nautical miles away. We've got 20, probably maxing 23 knots today, so we'll probably put a reef in the old main. And yeah, bit of cloud cover, but it should be fun.
It's cold. "20 knots, just after the beam." It's actually a pretty wicked sail, eh, Dee?
Pretty good. A bit tired, it's too early in the morning.
It is not real protected at this anchorage. But it is beautiful and clear, so we're going to go for a snorkel and check it out. I'll just be here drinking cocktails while you go and catch us dinner. Nice fish. We've finally got light wind, so we're going to go dive MOUA, the underwater art museum.
MOUA, the Museum of Underwater Art, showcases the Coral Greenhouse installed in 2020 and the Ocean Sentinels in 2023. Each sculpture is a renowned marine scientist or conservationist, and together they are intended to provide a habitat for marine life, promote coral growth, and highlight contributions made to reef protection.
That mooring line is munted. We have the most tamest bird just hanging out on the window. It's amazing. Dion can pat him. He doesn't even care that you're giving him a pat, do you? Huh.
Engine stop valve. Fuel shut off, stop the motor, broken, just another part broken. But we can manually do it from down at the motor when we go, so we'll just do that from now on until we get that fixed. Just add that to the list, eh?
There's pretty bad weather coming tomorrow. We've got a beautiful sail right now, 15 knots, heading down to Orpheus Island. Wind's even like nearly on the beam. But otherwise it would have been tacking upwind to Townsville to get a tow into the marina to fix it if we couldn't get an engine going. That would not be good. See you later, Reef. Can't even see anything anyway. Shut it down. How do you do it, Dee?
There where the cord is.
Yeah.
You need to keep them over there. Push that, push that.
Oh, is it hot? Okay. So just here.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. Wow. That's a bit different from normal.
Oh well, things we've got to do while we have breakages. At least it works.
Well, we have made it to Orpheus Island. Next up, we explore the Jurassic Park of Queensland.